Welcome to this new video where we will delve deeply into the fascinating world of engravers and cutters. Laser, with a particular focus on one of the most intriguing models on the current market, the xTool S1. xTool is a well-established manufacturer in the field of laser technologies, recognized for its constant innovations and its ability to meet the needs, both amateurs and professionals. The xTool S1, in particular, positions itself as a device of choice for those seeking power, safety, and precision. Before diving into the details, I invite you to check the link in the description to find more information about the product and see how you can get it. Now let's move on to the product design, an aspect that often determines whether a device integrates harmoniously into your workspace. The xTool S5 stands out with its imposing and professional appearance. Built with high-quality materials, it features an acrylic filtering cover that effectively protects against laser rays, while providing optimal visibility of the engraving or cutting process. The casing is primarily made of non-glossy composite plastic, giving it a flawless finish that resists fingerprints and dust. With dimensions of 765 by 56.1 by 183 mm without the Rio's base, the xTool S1 takes up considerable space, but its weight and bulk are offset by a sturdy and well-thought-out construction. The available colors are understated, mainly in neutral tones, allowing the device to easily blend into different work environments. The exterior design is completed by a multifunction button on the front, surrounded by a light ring that changes color depending on the ongoing operations, adding a modern and intuitive touch to the whole. Diving into the main features of the xTool S1, we discover a device that doesn't just follow standards, but redefines them. It is the first 40-watt diode laser, fully enclosed on the market, with a Class 1 safety certification, ensuring that no harmful rays escape during its use. This model comes with several interchangeable laser heads, offering impressive flexibility with options of 10 watts, 20 watts, 40 watts, and even a 2-watt infrared head for specific applications like metal engraving. The precision of the laser point varies according to the chosen power, ensuring sharp and detailed results, with precision reaching up to 0.08 by 0.10 mm. The xTool S1 offers a working area of 498 by 319 mm and can reach a maximum speed of 600 mm per second, making it one of the fastest engravers in its category. Connection is easily made via USB or Wi-Fi, and the device is compatible with xTool Creative, Space, and Lightburn software, offering a wide variety of control options for the user. Among the integrated technologies, there is a real-time positioning module, autofocus, and a flame detection system in 5 directions, ensuring safe and efficient use. When it comes to practical use, the X2, the Saint stands out for its ease of use and numerous features that make daily life easier. Right out of the box, the device impresses with its sturdiness and smart design. The smoke containment system, combined with an optional filtration module, allows work even in enclosed spaces without the worry of unpleasant odors. The engraving or cutting process is simplified thanks to the autofocus, which automatically adjusts the height of the head. Laser based on the thickness of the material. This feature is particularly advantageous for users who work with a variety of materials ranging from wood to opaque acrylic, including leather and even some metals. The laser head can be easily positioned by hand. This, combined with real-time positioning tracking, ensures unmatched precision when setting up projects. The clever framing system allows for quickly defining and adjusting the work area, making repetitive tasks less tedious and more precise. Compared to other products on the market, the xTool S1 offers a set of features that place it at the top of the list for many users. Compared to the D1 Pro, it brings notable improvements in terms of safety and work speed. While the P2 uses a CO2 laser, the S1 focuses on safety and versatility with its diode technology. Although some competitors may offer similar features, the S1 stands out for its ease of use and advanced compatibility with accessories. xTool, which allows it to adapt to a variety of engraving and cutting needs. In conclusion, the xTool S1 is a device that combines power, safety, and innovation in a coherent and impressive package. Whether you are a professional looking to increase your efficiency or a hobbyist eager to explore new creative possibilities, the S1 offers adaptable solutions to your needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information and to see how you can integrate this remarkable tool into your own workspace. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe for more content. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.